In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove text from videos without blur using Canva. We're going to keep things clean and simple by reframing your video so the unwanted text sits outside the visible area rather than covering it with a blur. Only work with footage you have permission to edit. Start by opening Canva and choosing a video design. You can pick a template or start with a blank video canvas. Select the aspect ratio that matches your footage, like 16:9 for horizontal or 9:16 for vertical, so you minimize cropping later. Next, head to the left sidebar and open Uploads. This is where you'll bring your footage into the project. Inside Uploads, click on the Videos tab so Canva treats your file as a video rather than an image or audio. Upload your clip, then drag it onto the canvas. Wait for the upload to finish so the preview is smooth. If the clip is longer than one page, Canva will place it on the timeline for you. Position it so it fills the canvas for now. We'll refine the framing in a moment. Hit Preview to watch through the video once. You're looking for where the text appears. Maybe it's a watermark in a corner, a timestamp, or a label at the top. Make a mental note of the position and how consistently it stays in one spot. If it moves slightly, you'll just need to pay closer attention as you adjust. Now, you have two clean options to hide the text without blurring. The first is to resize the video. Click the clip on the canvas and drag from a corner to scale it up, then nudge it so the unwanted text falls just outside the visible area. Keep an eye on your subject so the important content stays centered. If resizing alone isn't ideal, use the crop tool. Select the video, click crop, and tighten the frame so the area with the text is excluded. Apply the crop, then reposition the video within the canvas so the composition still looks natural. Whichever route you choose, make sure the video fills the entire canvas so there are no black bars or empty edges. Adjust the scale and position until the frame looks balanced and the text is fully out of view. Click Preview again and watch all the way through. Check corners and edges, especially at the moments where the text originally appeared. If anything peeks back in, fine-tune your scale or crop slightly and preview once more. That's it. Your video now hides the text cleanly without any blur, keeping the focus on your content while maintaining a professional look.